So this is a tutorial about falling out of handstands. Really important when you go upside down on your hands, because you want to be able to learn how to fall out and be able to catch yourself in a safe way. So just breaking things down, it's more of like pivoting at the hips like a cartwheel when you come out. So just starting from basics, what you can do is just step one foot out, the other one behind. Step one foot out, the other behind. And just notice how my hips kind of rotate, right? Just getting familiar with this. You could add some hands. Right, do a little dance. Now, progressing it, what you're going to do is you're going to place one hand down and then the other, and just do the same thing. Just kind of go back and forth. Right, going low, doesn't have to be high, but keeping everything active, especially from the hands, moving up the arms, even with the legs here. And then maybe kicking up a little bit higher. Right, catching a little bit of air time, not hitting the handstand, just going back and forth. Good, now I want you to add a lift of the opposite hand. So when you kick to the left, lift the right hand. Once you get that down, then you can transition up to kind of replicating a little bit like the cartwheel. Right, so stepping with, I'm coming with from the right, with my right leg, right hand down, left hand down, kick up with the left, and then follow with the right. Okay, same thing coming from the left side. Left foot, left hand, right hand, kick up, and then make your way back. And notice what my legs are doing, right? They're not like spaghetti noodle legs, even if I'm not kicking up all the way. I'm trying to keep active, staying in control of all the different variables. Try that again. And you'll notice how you're able to catch some air time each time you progress a little bit more. All right, so this was just a way of getting used to pivoting at the hips, right? Finding a little bit of a lift with one hand as you bail out from a handstand.